Hello there, my friends, and welcome. I am Angela, and what I do is I share with you simple ways for you to earn a passive income online. So, what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember to smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be sharing with you how to build an email list for free using this amazing platform called Leadsleap. So Leadsleap is an all-in-one marketing system. It was founded in 2008, so it's been going for 15 years. And with this system, this platform here, you can get a free lifetime membership. And as a free member, one of the things you get access to is a list manager where you're able to build up to 10 email lists and send unlimited subscribers. So if we scroll down here, I'm going to share with you how you benefit from the list manager. If you're a marketer, I'm pretty sure you come across the saying that says the money is in the list. So if you're not building your list, you might not be building a list because you don't want to have to pay to build your list, because most platforms out there, they may have a free version of maybe up to 500 subscribers, but after that, it starts to cost you money. But with Leadsleap, you can have an unlimited number of subscribers and never pay a penny. So what is so powerful about this platform is that you're going to build high quality lists, because your list has to double opt-in, which is very powerful. They have to confirm, they click the link in the email to confirm that they actually opted in. And they also get an email automatically sent to them, a welcome email, and you can have a link in that email as well. And as a free member, you can send broadcasts to multiple lists. You write one email and it goes out to your list. And smart filtering, if you're like me and you're promoting a few offers, you might have people opting into different offers, but this makes sure that they're only getting the broadcast once. Track open rates as well. This is very important. You want to see how your emails are doing, how many open rates, click-through rates, and all that. And then as a pro member, you can actually set up a series of emails to go out to your members. So here's a sample of the type of email that you can send out with this platform. And you can actually use this platform for free, and there's no gotchas whatsoever. So if we log into the back office here, and we go to, on the left-hand menu, you go to email marketing. So you go to list manager. So you see, these are all the lists that I have, and you can have up to 10 lists as a free member. So that's very, very powerful, very simple. You just add lists, give it a name, click add now, the step-by-step instructions, you can't break it, follow the instructions and create your list. And then email series here, this is for pro members. You can set up a series of emails to go out to your list. So you can see I have these emails going out, and I can see how many were sent, how many were opened, how many were clicked, and all that stuff. So that's the tracking. Broadcast, you have to be a pro member there. But broadcast, you can come in here, add a new broadcast. So you're sending an email to your list, and you can choose to email all of them, or you can choose to email select, and audience as well. You can click that, and you can go ahead and email your list from this, even as a free member. And blog to broadcast, if you have a blog, you have to be a pro member, so you can set it up that once you write something on your blog, it's actually sent out to your list, which is very, very powerful. And then here, what I have, what is absolutely priceless for me, you have to be a pro member, but every time I upload a video onto YouTube, I have it set up so it goes out to my list. So I never actually email my list. I just send out my videos from my YouTube channel to my list and let that do the work for me. So that's how simple it is for you to use this platform for free as a free member. If you're a marketer and you're interested in building an email list for free, go ahead and click the link in the description to actually check this out. There's so much value that you get for free for life in this opportunity, in this platform. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me. I have a link to my Facebook in the description as well. Otherwise, remember to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Angela, wishing you the best year ever.